Hi everyone, we're going to make this beautiful sling bag. We need a plastic mesh sheet and felt fabric and crochet needle as well. After this, we are going to put the white thread on this needle and start sewing it like we're doing here. Now we are going to cover the entire sheet like this, one after another like this. Here we are using two different color of thread like white and blue. You can use whatever color you like and start sewing it like we're doing here. Cover it entirely first at the center and then cover it from its side as well. We're also attaching the handles like this and look, it's ready. Now we are going to cover it from its side as well. Now put buttons like we're doing here. Add a sticker and chain and look, your sling bag is ready. In this video, we are going to use this thick felt thread and start tying knot. Here we are going to make a beautiful purse here. So first tie knot like this. After this, we are going to repeat the same process. So tie knot like this and we are going to make a surface of the bag and similar way make the handle and look, it's ready. We're going to make this beautiful bag. For that we need a crochet needle and a thick felt thread. So we are going to start knitting the thread like this. Put the crochet needle inside it and we're going to make a loop and repeat the same process like this. Make the handle as well. Tie a knot. We're also putting this beautiful yellow handle and tie a knot like this. After this we're going to add these beautiful stickers for more decoration. We're also putting this ring. So attach it and we are also adding these pearls like we are doing here. Same way we are going to repeat the same process and look, it's ready. We are also putting it on its both sides for the sling and look, it's ready. In this video, we're going to make this beautiful handbag. We need this plastic, crochet needle and this thread. Now we are going to cover the entire sheet using the needle and thread like this. After this, we're going to fold it and make the bag like we're doing here. Further, we are going to make the handle as well. So attach the ring on the side of it and finally we are going to sew all of them like we're doing here. We're also adding these beautiful handles on the top of it. Put a mark and a sling chain as well. And look, it is ready. In this video, we are going to make this very cute handbag. Let's get started. It is very easy to make. All you need is some plastic mesh crochet, some thread and a needle. Here we are using this crochet needle and felt thick thread like this. Now we are going to fill all the boxes one after another. So remove the needle from the boxes and repeat the same process like we are doing here. Cover all of them in square form like this. After this, we are going to fill all the boxes like this and look, it's done. Now we are going to flip the whole sheet like this and tie a final knot here. So remove the thread and tie a knot and cut the extra thread like this. Now we are going to fold the bag and paste this beautiful teddy bear and handles like this. Attach more chain and strip at its corners and look, you can make more such colorful bags. Thank you so much for watching this video.